these particular T cells in therapy might be very beneficial for us.
What is this T cell research?
T cell is a kind of cell which used as a body's defense system, and is first discovered by Jacques Miller, I think 1961.
What is the future scope of research in T cell?
Future scope is very broad.
This will be beneficial for the society. How can you explain this?
T cells can sense when to attack, when to stop, and when to rebuild them, and particularly T cells have no side effects.
Very good morning, listeners. I welcome all of you to the first podcast series, Healing Power Within. And today, our first podcast will be on a very, very interesting and a very, very interesting topic. Today, I am your host, Dr. Shayantani, and today we will be discussing in this first podcast about T cell reprogramming immunity to fight the disease. So, to talk with us today and to give knowledge to us, today we have with us Dr. Sancheta Mishra with us. Dr. Mishra is a PhD from University of Calcutta. She did her postdoc from National Institute of Biomedical Genomics, which is a very renowned institute, genomic institute in West Bengal. I welcome Dr. Sancheta to the show.
Thanks you. Thanks a lot for this warm welcome. And I'm truly delighted to be here, and I'm also thankful to Santosh for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts and share my research to all to the listeners. Thanks a lot.
Okay, so since you are in this research field, in this immunology research field, and you are a immune researcher, so the T cell thing is coming up nowadays in a very robust way.
Right.
So my first question to you is, what is this T cell research and how it is shaping the role of medicine today?
So I'm very happy to share my thoughts with you and the people. T cell is a kind of cell which used as a body's defense system.
Correct.
So as we every day we are facing different kinds of microbes, vaccines, toxicants, as the near this pollution
Exactly.
as Delhi pollution is a
Yes, of
nowadays a
course.
very
Hot cake topic.
hot
Yes.
cake topic. So T cells, our body's own T cells have this kind of power to fight with that microbes and vaccine, and particularly that viruses. So if we modify that particular T cells and used these particular T cells in therapy, it might be very beneficial for us. So
Right.
T cell first, it is a white blood cell, and is first discovered by Jacques Miller, I think 1961, I think. So he first discovered this, and now recently 2025, Simon Sakaguchi received Nobel Prize in
right.
peripheral tolerance, of which
T cells,
basically
yes.
is based upon the T cells.
T cells.
So T cell is a hot cake topic, and this is a kind of research which performed in research institute as well as many universities nowadays very well. And the point is that how can we improvise the T cells? That's CAR-DNT used, CRISPR-Cas9 we have used. We know total world is using these
Correct.
particular T cells in cancer as well as in autoimmune diseases. So this is the things we can use T cells.
Okay. So, as from your knowledge, we can understand that T cell immunotherapy can be used in various ways.
Yeah.
So, what I can understand is you need to collaborate with a lot of people or a lot of researchers to understand this. So, my next question to you is, who do you think can be the potential collaborators for this research work?
Definitely, there are so many collaborators in our India as well as worldwide. Because there are so many research institutes are there. In Delhi itself, it's a NIA,
Yes, right. NII, National Institute of Immunology. Right.
So they are using, they are performing. This NII has a whole T cell lab also. So and the total immune cells, they are working with not only T cell, B cell, and
immune cells.
Immune cells. They are working. So we can collaborate with them. We can
Correct.
collaborate with universities. We can
Yes.
collaborate with industry partners.
Correct.
Because industry partners nowadays very important, because if our research don't we are the researcher, right?
Correct.
So our research is an endpoint. That endpoint is the industry. we can use that particular T cell in immunotherapy. So for immunotherapy is benefiting, industries are required. So if we manufacture T cell and give it to this industry, that particular industry partners can use that T cells as a as a any kind of medicine or any
Correct.
kind of things, and deliver to the patients. So these are the things very important. Mainly industry partners. I think it's a very important collaboration with the
Collaborator, right.
industry partners.
So when you are talking about medicine, vaccine to be delivered to the patients, so I must understand from that this will be beneficial for the society.
Yeah.
So how can you explain this?
Yeah, very good question and great question. That we can use smart T cells. So these cells can actually these T cells can sense when to attack, when to stop, and when to rebuild them. And this and particularly T cells have no side effects.
Okay.
Okay, and another thing is that vaccine. We can use these T cells in vaccine, like in COVID-19. We already have experienced how
Right.
immune cells can
Right.
prevent us.
Yes.
So because all of the people have don't that this particular COVID-19 we all exposed to COVID-19.
Yes, of course.
Because but doesn't everyone have that particular symptoms, right? So for their own immunity power, their immunity power is T cells. And so what I am talking about that. So in case of vaccine, we can use this T cell to making a better vaccines. And important one of the or any other universal T cell therapies like immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is now very important because in blood cancer, no drugs are no drugs can
Available. Yes, yes.
no drugs are available. Not there are many drugs available in T cell blood cancer, but no drugs can cure that particular leukemia patients. Here, CAR DNT or CAR T cells can used to treat the blood cancer patients. So this is very interesting. And also how can I say, these are the things.
Okay. My last question to you is, what is the future scope of research in
Yeah,
T-cell?
future scope is very broad
Yes.
because there are several fragments and several sub things are there in T cells. So any one particular T c- actually there are numerous subpopulation of T cell like CD4 cell, CD8 cell. This is the core T cell biology things. NK T cell. So it depends upon the researcher
in which field they are going to do it, right?
Research, because every field is important. Every
Yes.
fields are important. Like if you are working with CD4 T cell, that works in different purpose. CD8 T cell different
Right.
purpose. NK T cell different purpose. But the research, if you are interested in T cell biology or T cell or immune cell work in T cells or work in immune cells, you maybe choose any of the fragments from here. So
That means research in immunotherapy has a broad area.
yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Research in immunotherapy is a broad area, and T cell itself is a broad area.
Broad area, right.
You can research in CD4 cell, you can research in cytotoxic
Yes.
T cell. There are no particular things is there.
Yes, I understood. Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Mishra, for being
Thank you.
us
I'm
with
also
today.
I'm thankful to you.
Yes. And so, to all our listeners, we have to understand that we have our own power to heal our body from within. So, for more such episodes, stay tuned with us. Thank you.